You know that feeling when you're staring at your overflowing closet, but it's like your wardrobe is playing hide and seek with you? Ever wondered why this happens? It's because we often get stuck in our comfort zones, wearing the same outfits repeatedly, and this is what you need to start doing. You need to organize. Start by separating your clothes into categories, like tops, bottoms, dresses, and so on. This makes it easier to see what you have and rediscover hidden treasures. Get creative with layering. Mix and match pieces you wouldn't typically pair together. That old blouse? Try layering it under a stylish jacket or a statement cardigan for a fresh look. Accessorize like a pro. Don't underestimate the power of accessories. Add a statement belt, colorful scarf, or eye-catching jewelry to transform a basic outfit. And finally, embrace your signature style. Find what makes you feel confident and comfortable, and build your wardrobe around it. Invest in timeless pieces that can be mixed and matched effortlessly. Remember, it's not about having more clothes, it's about making the most of what you already have. Like and share for more.